What is going on, everybody? This is Josh from Sorcerer Studios, and welcome to episode 7 of the Dungeon Game Dev series. Now, for now, we have finished the armor on this guy, and we fought some fires getting the helmet correct, but I believe we're done modeling for now, and now we are going to go on to texturing and animating. So I'm going to begin animating this guy, and at the same time, Matt is going to begin texturing his armor. So that is pretty much what today's video is going to be about. Our goal for next video, perhaps, is to get this guy into Unity, and then we can begin the AI for both this guy and the Sentinel. So that's the game plan for the game devs for the next 2 days. So without further ado, let's begin. So mid-texturing, we were deciding on what sword or weapon this guy should have. And I kind of looked in my library of swords that I've made in the past, and we thought of going with this one. Now, I'm currently assigning materials to certain parts of the sword so that we can export it to Substance Painter, so I'll just show you how I do that real quickly. So as you can see, I have 3 materials: the blade, the guards, and the handle, and I'm going to add the pommel soon, but just to show you, the blade consists of this, the guards consists of this. Well, this is going to become the pommel really soon, and the handle consists of, let's make that blue. There we go. So that's what these 3 consist of. Now, to assign a material to specific vertices, you'd go into edit mode, and you'd basically select which vertices you want to be assigned. So there we go. So I only want the pommel, so I'm going to make a new material and call it pommel. I think there's one L at the end. And now that there are vertices, or now that the vertices are assigned, I will hit assign. And now, as you can see, the pommel has these. And I'll just color code this. I'll make it pink for you, just to show you what it looks like. So yeah, that's how you do that. And we're going to use this to texture it in Substance Painter, and we will show you what it looks like. So I just learned that pommel is not spelled with a U, it's spelled with an O. Pommel. It's very weird, but that's your spelling lesson for the day. So I'm in the prototyping scene, and we're currently trying to decide how big this guy should be, and we're currently deciding between 2 sizes. They're both very big. This guy's going to be huge, as you can see, compared to the Sentinel, which is still tall. Well, taller than Ethan, but he's not going to be massive like this guy. Now, this guy's supposed to be a brute creature, not really human, so we're trying to see what size works best, and also which size sword works best. So we will update you when we have made a decision, and hopefully we make one soon. So we're still deciding on how big he should be, but for now I thought I would get into some weight painting, which is basically items like the skirt here, which is made out of a flexible material, versus like the chest plate, which has no flexible materials in it. So basically weight painting is the flexible materials moving with the legs. So I've already began working on this side of the skirt, so if I were to move the foot up, the skirt goes with it. It's still a work in progress, but I'm still working on it. So I'll do a little time lapse of me doing the rest of the skirt items, and we will see what he looks like from there. So we finally finished the weight painting for now. It's currently not perfect because, as you can see in the right hand screen, when you move, let's see, yeah, there we go. When you move the leg forward, there's still some skin available underneath the skirt. I'll probably get rid of the skin underneath there just to save some vertices. But for now, the weight painting is pretty good. As you can see, the skirt moves with the body, and as you could see in the, or as you saw in the time lapse, I was having some problems getting the skirt to move well with the hip, but I finally solved that issue. So now we're going to work on his animation. So stay tuned and we will show you when we're done with that. So we are currently working on the animations for him, and we made his pretty much his main attack pose, and we're working on the attack idle animation. Nothing too exciting, but we will be making some moves for him, which is the very next thing we'll be doing. And we're going to try to finish up the animations tomorrow. It did take a little bit longer than expected, the weight painting, so we are a bit behind on creating this guy, so I'm just going to basically finish him as much as I can tomorrow, and hopefully we can begin the AI for both him and the Sentinel, and hopefully we can get that done on time because we are trying to get pretty much a good AI system done by the end of the week. So we'll have to see how that goes. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.